Clowns know how to do things.
Andrew,
like that.
say hi to Uncle Jimmy. Go, yo!
Yeah.
No.
Smile for him. Say, say happy birthday, Drew. Sing happy birthday to you. Birthday to
Wait a minute,
you.
look at Auntie Tracy and sing.
Look at me. Sing happy birthday.
There you go. Almost done.
Sing it to Auntie Tracy.
Look at me. Hi, Pumpkin. What are you doing? I don't know.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Stop it. You want me to go away?
Yeah.
Yeah. You go out there? I'm nice. I'm not mean. I'm nice.
She needs a haircut, huh, Andrew?
No.
Wash my face? No. Do you think I can fit in that chair? Think I can sit there?
It's okay if the clown sits in the chair?
Who bought that chair for you?
Hey,
Andrew, you want me to make you a balloon?
She got balloons.
Come here, I'll make you a balloon.
Look,
Want a
she-
balloon?
I can make you a sword.
Look, she made her a balloon. Look at the balloon she got.
I like that one.
Yeah,
You like that
she'll
one?
give you another one.
Want two?
You want 2 balloons?
I like that.
All gone.
His name is...
Angela, look.
Here we go.
What is she doing?
Oh!
She popped it.
It popped. Did that scare you?
Party's over. Let's go home. You got it.
Pop again. There we go.
What is that?
Roof, roof, roof.
What is that,
Here you
dog?
go.
You want it?
That's Arthur.
What do you say, Andrew?
What
Say
is that,
thank you.
dog? Huh?
Did you say thank you?
Nah.
No.
What about this one? Does she want a balloon? Oh, she's hiding from me. I have a sticker. You want a sticker?
Stickers. Ashley loves stickers.
You like stickers? Here, I'll give you a sticker.
Hi, Chaw.
Can I see it?
Ask Ashley if she wants one.
See how I'm blowing this one up? Can you squeeze that? Go ahead. Squeeze it like this. Squeeze.
Squeeze it.
Squeeze. Squeeze. You're doing it! What a guy! What should I make this into? How about a bunny rabbit?
You want a bunny rabbit?
Want me to make you a yellow bunny? Yeah? Okay. I like making bunny rabbits.
See, I want to see you turn it into a stereo.
It's like when I do face painting and a lot of kids tell me they want a skull and crossbones on their face. This one kid wanted on his arm a knife with blood. Boy.
Andrew,
we
show
have
me a bunny
Ashley
rabbit.
hiding over here.
Show me a bunny rabbit, Andrew.
And we have Felicia getting her hair done. Right? Is she coming in?
Andrew, look over here.
Want me to make you a
Show me a bunny so I can show it on TV. What does he do? What's the bunny rabbit do?
You like
Hop,
pink?
hop, hop, hop.
Latoya, you like pink? We'll put these back in here. You can have those.
Yeah.
Okay? And then we'll take a break from this and I'll do some face painting.
Give her
Well, we'll
those.
see. Give her this one.
I know, I'll get
What you got there? You got a sword? All right.
Is your dad here?
Yeah.
Well, why don't you go ahead and ask him?
He said yes. Daddy, can I give
Carol's got off that bottle, you know. Really? Grandma put it back on that bottle. She caught me yesterday. She came back.
Oh, yeah.
I know, give me water. I don't have water now. I promise you. She came back yesterday, give me some more clothes. Let me go. I put the bottle. Ah, yeah, that's right.
And then everywhere you go, somebody will know that you saw a clown because you'll have something on your face. And I'll give you a sticker too.
Come on.
Okay?
Yes, yes.
Did you get a sticker, Amber? Where's your sticker? Oh, yes.
Hey, what is
See her sticker?
I'll give you a shoulder.
Huh? Well, hello there. Ta-da. Oh my gosh. And what's your name? Jasmine? What a pretty name. And is this cut? Who's this? What's your name? Floyd. Hi, Floyd. I'm Daisy. And who's this over here with his headphones on? What's your name? You don't know what your name is?
Jason.
Jason. Hi, Jason.
Hi,
Who's your cousin? Well, here, let me see. Why don't I take out I'll put my balloons away for now.
You see that
Do some
cow?
face painting. Okay? See, look at it. But it'll wash right off with soap and water when you take your bath, okay?
I think Ashley should get her face painted too.
Okay, let me just check and see how much paint I have in different colors. See if I need to fill any of them up.
Then drop that up.
Fill up my yellow? See, watch this. Take this. Squeeze it in there. Whoops. Ew. It looks like mustard, huh? And I think I'm almost out of white. There's your dog. I'll put some more red in there. This will be my ketchup.
Ashley set it up. She must be coming through now.
What about the black?
Hey, Dave,
Oh, I
you
need
want,
to fill
Dave,
that
do you
too.
want some soda or anything? I have straws.
That would be good if you had straw.
I have Coke, orange, or ginger ale.
You got anything diet?
No.
Okay.
Ashley, you gonna Daisy paint your face too? Later?
Oh, I think she'll let me after a while.
Maybe after Amber gets her face done.
What the heck? Oh my gosh, it just... I can make you another one after, okay? First we're going to... I'll put my paint. But everybody's gonna have to sit down, okay? Why don't everybody sit down? Okay?
Floyd, you can sit right here like Toya.
These are gonna be my paintbrushes.
He
That's
missed
my
it.
garbage
Tight,
can.
the balloon string to the back of Andrew's
Oh, I don't
tail.
know.
Balloon tied to the back of his head.
I stuck my finger in a light bulb. And I
Suck my finger.
No, I'm only teasing. I bought this.
I know, I seen that.
It's a wig. You know what?
I know, I'm a real face down on the couch.
Do you remember how you dress up for Halloween? Dress up for Halloween? Did you ever play dress up? You were a clown for Halloween? Well, I took it for a job. I'm a clown for a job.
Hey there. Who's this?
And a costume.
Who's this?
I'm a clown.
You just see like a clown?
And then when I'm
Oh, yeah, Andrew, no.
and I changed my clothes.
Andrew, what are the girls going to say about you now?
Andrew, what are the girls gonna say about your new hairdo?
Yeah, that's right.
What are the girls gonna say about your new hairdo? What's this? What's it say? Say, can you read it? Barney the dinosaur?
Yeah. I keep telling Barney to hold
Right.
You guys go around and go like this.
No, actually,
Oh, yeah.
Yo, he got some hair.
She's happy.
I told him not to take it open his presents.
There's a blue one. Put this one in my trash.
Andrew should be.
Don't touch them because they're not dry yet. They'll be dry.
Julian's gonna end up eating it.
Oh, I think it's still a little bit wet.
That's for
That for
you.
me, now that you've ripped it
Can I
apart.
have one?
Can I have a piece?
Can I have a piece? Hurry up. Come on.
Andrew, I want Tracy.
I can't rip my card.
He's a good doctor.
I'm in the way.
Keep one on your shoulder.
Probably turn that off anyway. It's not.
Stop!
Kick that thing
Okay, why don't you two go out of the way so I can do somebody else, okay? Barney, I don't know if I can do Barney. I don't have any purple. Why don't you move over and do these guys?
What's that, Andrew?
You can sit right here.
What you got?
Yeah, my hat on.
Put your hat on.
Hat on?
No!
Yeah, you want a hat? You want a hat? All right, come on.
I want a hat!
Very good.
Yeah. Look.
All right, guys, that's enough.
Ready?
You're leaving?
Jen's leaving?
Oh, I thought you were leaving.
Oh, we can't.
Andrew.
You can hope, but it's not gonna happen.
Andrew.
Go, girl.
Andrew, look up at here.
Andrew.
I was going by and there was...
Julian, can you say hi?
Leaving?
Hi.
You leaving?
Whoa,
No,
she got my tag.
Luann,
Say, go get your
can
man.
you say hi?
You get that cut though? When you gonna be at home?
Ashley.
Oh, I gotta start at 5 o'clock.
Jen, you better come sit over here before you get ready.
Cut the edges. Just cut the edges.
Over here in the corner. Sit in the corner.
What are y'all doing, cut, man? It's a fade, man. Oh, I just want to fade, man. Huh?
What are you gonna cut?
Just one of the edges.
What edges?
What edges?
Huh?
What edges? Like a basketball.
Oh, just one of the edges. I just want to do the first cut.
Come on, Papa. Say happy birthday to Andrew.
Happy birthday, Andrew. You put in the air.
Say happy birthday, Andrew.
Birthday, Andrew.
Yo, you put in the air on your head. You can mark it.
Egg rolls?
Fight, Maiden?
All right, everybody smile. You're on candid camera.
No. Small.
Say happy birthday, Andrew.
Go ahead, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
You know what? You ain't gotta go that. No, Eric, you ain't gotta go that far. Don't trust me.
It ain't that long, huh?
Go ahead, do that again. Ooh, wait. Go ahead. Do it again. Do it again.
You got it!
Go ahead, do that. Do it again. Hold on, you got it one more time.
Easy ass.
Ashley,
Andrew,
dance for the TV.
nice man.
I see Ashley's belly. Yeah,
Get a shot of the crack in the back. There you go, Tracy.
I got it.
You got it?
I got it.
I'll touch your hair when I want to. I will, watch.
Beat him up, Andrew.
Birthday to you. You live in a zoo. You smell like
A monkey, and you look like one too.
Hi. What? Oh, kiss my hindies.
No, I want to kiss your hiney. Andrew, tell him, say, leave me alone.
Chase, you like to be on camera. Say hi.
Say hi. Hi. Go. Julian, go. Luann, can you say hi? Can you say hi? You're going to be on TV later. She's afraid of it.
You broke it.
Andrew.
Andrew, Mom wants you.
Andrew. Be careful. Don't hurt Andrew's hands, okay?
What'd you do?
Okay, I mean,
Where'd you go?
not to hurt you no more.
Next time he hurts you, you let me know. Okay, I'll beat him up.
Amber, if he hurts you, you let me know and I'll take care of him. All right? You let me
Andrew's
know.
a troublemaker.
I said you know something.
You want to be on TV?
Yeah.
Say happy birthday to Andrew.
Happy birthday.
Oh, Andrew.
Want to say happy birthday to Andrew? No.
No, you just got it.
One.
Wait a
Go
minute.
ahead in the living room.
I want him money.
I've been sick.
I want him money.
What's that? Andrew, money hold two. Where's that? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andrew.
And you.
Happy birthday to you.
Got the candle.
He said, you smell like
Little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Four little monkeys on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. You're not singing anymore?
Andrew, you gonna sing it? No?
How about happy birthday to you? You live
Happy
in,
birthday to you.
you live in a zoo. You look like a monkey and you smell like one too. You're not singing? You're not singing? How come you're not singing? Come on. Say hi, Arthur. Look, pet Arthur and look at TV. See? Look at TV. Stop looking at him. Who's that? And who else? No, you throw it the other way. What'd I tell you? We'll give you a spanking on TV? He looks like a giant, huh?
Andrew, look at the TV.
Why are you recording? Hey, duh. Hey, hubba, hubba. Shake your head, Andrew.
Okay. So I can't shake my head.
Why not?
Look. I got this head, see?
buses or any type of service across the area, you should give a call to those buses. So they all the airport closed, airlines backed up, people waiting to truck. Let's take a look now at what you can expect from this storm on our latest computer graphics as far as the snowfall now. We are really just beginning the storm.
This poor cow dehydrated and weak, had the misfortune to lie down and rest for the night in the cool mud. However, the morning sun has dried out the mud, and the hardened earth has gripped the legs of the cow so securely that it is now unable.
Yeah.
This fucking guy, this guy is a nice slider.
Don't get too close. Think you'll make it?
Yeah. Just can't go too slow and end up stopping. I don't think he'll make it.
That's what I was saying. Do you think he'll make it?
Nah.
What the hell is that? What kind of car is that? Datsun?
Grease. Like a Mustang thing.
This is the corner that he's gonna have trouble on. City? Looks much further away in here. Did that guy plow it? No.
What's that?
I thought he was plowing.
the windows above. It's only words I sing this an occasional harassment by the police in their chase. Uncivilized, we call it, but I just saw him eat off the food we wait.
Who's that guy who sells all donuts?
What's this guy at? Come out. Tiresome.
Lots of good stuff to choose from.
Yeah, it's already covered again.
There's water over there.
Sorry.
The screen out. Much brighter it is off the screen.
The snow is coming down horizontally, and take a look. These are live pictures from outside the Channel 30 studios. The snow is blowing sideways. It's been years since we've had a blizzard warning, but an all-out blizzard occurring now across Connecticut. This storm watch report began at noontime yesterday, and there were a lot of people kind of skeptical. What are you doing? It's a beautiful sunny day. Why are you cutting into our programs and so forth? Well, the reason is this. We wanted people, we anticipated that this could happen whether